everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing for the replacement items I got for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner's RetroFit for the headlights. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so let's get the unboxing started. They did also let me know that the Demon Eye drivers have actually changed, which they think might, the change is what might fix the actual problem. Here's the Demon Eyes. It is a lot different. Still looks like the same 4-pin. This is the actual Demon Eyes. Well, I'll have a spare set of Demon Eyes for the future. Here's the mount and the hardware. They were only supposed to send me the driver. Let me kind of move this. It says do not bypass, size specific. And 30 milliamp. Originally, on the older style, this black wire was supposed to be grounded, and what they think is that the black wire is the problem. It's not supposed to be grounded. It's causing back feeding problems. I might have to call them back because my wiring isn't anything like this. I don't think these are going to work specifically on mine. I'm assuming this one goes to the controller. Open the controller. Yep, it is the Bluetooth module. Very interesting. I might have to contact them and let them know that there's stuff missing. This controller looks like it's been used. Oh, I'll use it as an example real quick. There's supposed to be some information packets and stuff in this box. The box wasn't even sealed. This goes here. Okay. It might work. Curious. Oh, I can't do that right now. My wife has the truck. I'll have to call them because when I was speaking to him, he told me this was supposed to be the wire was supposed to be red. The boxes are different though. They're definitely different. because mine is black, so this one's gray. It's definitely a different prism box for the demon eyes. Do not bypass. This is sticker open. No, it doesn't. I'll have to deal with it later. Just a quick look at what's in the boxes though. It is nice that it came with new demon eyes. I definitely do not want to have to go down the road of reopening that though. That I don't want to do. Definitely didn't put it back in the box right, but maybe okay. Put this back in here. I'm not going to open the other one. I only opened one. Maybe get more information. I will update you guys on an update video, find out specifically if these are correct or not. They said they were going to be different, but he also told me if these don't work, they might have to get me the older models. And I'm going to ask them why this one was opened. So please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.